Is it time to buy or sell Google stock? In this video, we will explore Google in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 28th of March, 2025, and we are here to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 27th of March, 2025, our system has identified Google as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.68. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a decline of 4.89%. This equates to an average daily loss of 2.44% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned within the lower range of a broad and declining trend in the short term, which may present a favorable buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor at $155.98 be breached, it would suggest an acceleration in the rate of decline. The existing 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of approximately 17.95% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -17.99% to -3.77%. In terms of the longer-term outlook, our 12-month analysis projects an anticipated change of 8.85%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 10.91% and 46.65% over the next year. In today's terms, this would position the future price within a range of $173.09 to $228.86. Our latest daily update for Google includes the headline, Google's stock price ended at $156.06 on Friday, after losing 4.89%. The Google stock price fell by 4.89% on the last day, Friday, the 28th of March, 2025, from $164.08 to $156.06. It has now declined for 3 consecutive days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 5.44%, ranging from a day low of $155.36 to a day high of $163.81. The price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 6.9% for this period. Volume has increased on the last day by 13 million shares, but this occurred alongside falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, and the risk will be slightly elevated over the next couple of days. In total, 35 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $5.43 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $208.70, while the lowest price was $148.20. Currently, the price stands at 25.22% or $52.64 below the 52-week high and 86.09% or $966.20 below the all-time high on January 15, 2018, when the price reached $1,122.26. Alphabet Inc., trading under the symbol GOOG, has recently encountered some significant developments that investors should closely monitor. As of today, shares of Alphabet, along with other major digital advertising companies, experienced a notable decline, dropping nearly 4.8% in a single day due to broader market pressures affecting the digital advertising sector. This short-term decline may influence investor sentiment, leading to increased volatility around the stock price. On a more positive note, Google has reached a preliminary settlement in a long-standing class action lawsuit with advertisers, agreeing to pay $100 million. This settlement addresses allegations of overcharging, which could reduce potential future liabilities and stabilize investor concerns regarding legal risks. Furthermore, some analysts suggest that Alphabet is among the most oversold stocks on the market, indicating it may represent a buying opportunity for long-term investors at discounted prices. This perception, combined with the belief that tariffs may be deflationary, implies limited long-term risks to investments in Alphabet. Looking ahead, These factors may create a bifurcated impact on GOOG's stock price. In the short term, ongoing fluctuations in advertising revenues and investor reactions to these legal outcomes could lead to further volatility. However, the resolution of legal uncertainties and favorable market positioning could foster recovery and growth in the long term, making Alphabet a stock to watch for both cautious and opportunistic investors. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 19th of March, 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned GOOG a neutral grade with a hold recommendation. On the same day, it was reported that Rosenblatt Securities also assigned GOOG a neutral grade with a hold recommendation. On Thursday, the 20th of February, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned GOOG a buy grade with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 5th of February, 2025, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned GOOG a buy grade with a hold recommendation. On the same day, Goldman Sachs also assigned GOOG a buy grade with a hold recommendation. Analysts have given Google's stock a general buy rating. They rate the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. For return on investment, the analysts assign the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Google. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact the short-term outlook. The Google stock currently shows sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more pessimistic forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at the levels of $165.90 and $174.21. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, March 25, 2025, and thus far the stock has declined by 9.68%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume increased despite falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, indicating that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 4 days ago. Bollinger suggests a buy signal from 1 day ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average presents a sell signal from 38 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages produced a buy signal 34 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average indicates a buy signal from 5 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal from 27 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 18 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Google. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume beneath today's level. Under the right conditions, the stock could struggle significantly in the coming days. Typically, this stock experiences a healthy trading volume, and with only minor daily fluctuations, the associated risk is deemed low. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $8.45, which is a change of 5.44% between its highest and lowest points. In the previous week, the stock averaged a daily volatility of 2.74%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Google, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This figure is relatively typical for companies that have long-established histories or stable revenue streams. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 24th of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $2.04. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Google. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Google is at $172.22. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, This could be a level to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which means the stock could potentially drop sharply under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider placing bets only if you are an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. The combined average rating for Google from multiple analyst sources is buy. The most recent insider trade for this stock is older than 3 months. The latest trade occurred on the 17th of June, 2024, when Chavez R. Martin conducted an insider purchase of 5 shares of Class C Google stock units. We currently have a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is Google stock a good buy? Currently, Google exhibits several negative indicators and is on a declining trend. Consequently, we anticipate that its performance will remain weak in the coming days or weeks. Thus, our assessment of this stock is unfavorable. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 31st of March, we expect Google to open higher by $2.35, starting at a price of $158.41. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions upon StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and are held responsible for your own investment choices. Here is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments. What is your target for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.